Saint Peter, Saint Jude, Saint Andres, Saint Philip, Saint James, Saint Thomas, Saint Matthew, Saint Matthias, the wedding of Cana, Mary Magdalene. Jesus is going to Jerusalem. The scourging of the pillar of Jesus, number 1. Another one is this. It's blurred. Can't see. The crowning with thorns. The black Nazarene. Jesus falls. Jesus meets his mother. The Veronica wipes to Jesus' face. The Veronica and Jesus crucified. Jesus is laid in the sepulchre. San Lazaro de Bettina. What's this? Santa Maria de Bettina. Santa Maria de Bettina again. What's this? It's Santa Maria de Juan Marcos. San Juan Cruzcosa de Cruza. Santa Maria de Salome. Santa Maria de Clofe. Santa Maria Magdalena. Saint John the Evangelist. Our Lady of Sorrows. Last is Jesus' death. Burial. Goodbye. Let's go home, Nanay. Oh, let's